Schrödinger equation is a mathematical expression which describes the change of a physical quantity over time in which the quantum effects like wave-particle duality are significant. The Schrödinger equation has two forms: the time-dependent Schrödinger equation and the time-independent Schrödinger equation. The time-dependent Schrödinger wave equation derivation is provided here so that students can learn the concept more effectively. Questions related to the derivation of the Schrödinger wave equation is one of the most commonly asked questions in board exams and various competitive exams. The derivation of the Schrödinger wave equation is given below in such a way that students understand the concept in an interesting and easy manner. Where V is the potential energy and T is the kinetic energy. As we already know that H is the total energy,